Before we discuss all the action that has happened on the tariff front, let's see how the markets performed before that. The US stocks did come off a lackluster session overnight. The S&P 500 ended almost just a little more than 0.5% lower, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq index that lost about 0.5%, whereas the Dow that fell 245 points or more than 0.5%. Now, Nvidia shares were in focus yesterday. Now, they jumped nearly 5% in after-hours trading. The chipmaker exceeded expectations of the top and bottom lines in the first quarter as its data center business recorded year-on-year growth of 73%. Meanwhile, major US indexes are on track to close the week as well as the month higher. The S&P 500 and Dow are up 1.5% and 1.2% this week, respectively, while the Nasdaq that has rallied nearly 2% this week. The tech sector has seen surge of more than 10% in May. Now, this was fueled by AI announcements from big tech player Alphabet. Apart from that, if you look at the moves this month, the S&P 500 that has gained more than 5.5%. The Dow has added 3.5%, whereas the Nasdaq that has seen a jump of nearly 9.5%. But on the back of the tariff news that we're just about to discuss, Dow futures have jumped 500 points as the court has blocked Trump's tariffs.
Certainly, but also pay attention to Dow futures, which has climbed more than 500 points on the back of the news of a court ruling which has come against Trump administration. We'll talk that in detail later. But even crude edged higher on the news of OPEC nations have decided to hold crude output quotas steady, sticking to their current group-wide production agreement, which was decided in December last year. The alliance, which includes OPEC and non-OPEC producers like Russia, is maintaining formal cuts of 2 million barrels per day through 2026. A separate group of 8 countries is gradually phasing out additional voluntary cuts and will review July output this weekend, which is set to happen on May 30.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.